shopping as so many of you are for Thanksgiving. I've got the turkey and the pumpkin pie and got some stovetop stuffings. You know, it's a special time of year as we approach the holidays and particularly Thanksgiving. You know, I have to think about Abraham Lincoln when we come to Thanksgiving because it was his act in 1863 that made Thanksgiving a special holiday, a time in which men and women across this nation were engaged in a civil war, a time of great struggle in our country, when he asked all of us to stop and pause and be thankful for what we have. You know, just like the days of Abraham Lincoln in the Civil War, we're engaged in struggles today. Men and women are across this globe fighting for our freedom, protecting us so that we can enjoy the freedoms that we have here at home. And we should stop and think and praise our God for the work that they do that helps enable us to enjoy the liberties that the Founding Fathers envisioned for us. But you know, at this Thanksgiving, I have to also think that we're engaged in a greater struggle, a struggle against oppressive government, our own government, the policies of Barack Obama that have brought to the forefront Obamacare, and I'm thankful that our Supreme Court, the United States Supreme Court, has agreed to hear that case in the spring, and we should have a decision by June. If for some unknown reason they don't decide to overturn it, then we must even work harder. We must double down our efforts to elect a Republican Senate and elect a Republican President come November to repeal it. First, let's hope the Supreme Court overturns it, but if not, let's work hard. You know, this week our nation incurred a $15 trillion debt. It's been mounting, and now we've crossed that $15 trillion line. And you know, our four congressmen, I'm thankful for our four congressmen, three Republicans, and a Democrat who voted for a balanced budget amendment. But you know, our United States Senator Mark Pryor said he was opposed to it. Well, how can you be opposed to a balanced budget amendment at this time in our nation's history? Isn't it time that we balanced our books? Well, that's enough about politics. Let's think about the future, think about Thanksgiving, and let's be thankful for what's going on with our men and women in arms. Thank you, and you have a very happy Thanksgiving.